G'day, mates. Get ready for a breathtaking journey through Kauai, Hawaii. Emerald cliffs, turquoise waters, and lush rainforests await. This is your 2026 guide to the Garden Isle's latest adventures. Whether you're a thrill seeker, nature lover, or just craving paradise, picture the warm Hawaiian sun, the sound of waves, and the scent of plumeria. Kauai's magic is calling. Every moment in this video is crafted to transport you straight to the heart of this island paradise. Subscribe for more travel inspiration, and let's explore the wildest corners of our beautiful planet together. Let's kick things off with the jaw-dropping Napali Coast, an untamed masterpiece sculpted by time and the elements. Here, sheer cliffs rise hundreds of feet above the turquoise Pacific, their rugged faces draped in lush greenery and veiled by misty waterfalls. The valleys below are deep and mysterious, carved by ancient rivers and bursting with life. This coastline is a living canvas, where every glance reveals a new layer of beauty and wonder. Glide by boat along the base of these dramatic cliffs, weaving past hidden sea caves and secret golden beaches that can only be reached by water. As you cruise, keep your eyes peeled for playful pods of dolphins leaping in the surf and graceful sea turtles gliding just beneath the waves. The ocean here is alive with color and movement, offering unforgettable encounters at every turn. For those craving a bird's-eye view, a helicopter tour is pure exhilaration. Soar above crimson ridges and emerald valleys, tracing the coastline's dramatic curves from the sky. Waterfalls tumble down sheer cliffs, disappearing into the jungle below, while the endless blue of the Pacific stretches to the horizon. It's a perspective that truly takes your breath away and reveals the scale and grandeur of Napali's wild beauty. Adventurers can dive even deeper by joining tours that combine hiking rugged coastal trails, kayaking along the shoreline, and snorkeling in crystal-clear waters teeming with tropical fish. Each activity offers a unique way to connect with the landscape, whether you're trekking through lush forests, paddling beneath towering cliffs, or exploring vibrant underwater worlds. No matter how you explore, each perspective reveals a new wonder, a hidden waterfall, a secret cove, or a rock formation shaped by centuries of wind and waves. The Napali Coast is a place where nature's artistry is on full display, and every moment feels like a discovery. Standing at an overlook, feeling the ocean breeze and gazing out over this dramatic landscape, you can't help but be moved. The Napali Coast isn't just a place to see, it's a place to feel, deep in your soul. It's a reminder of the wild, untamed beauty that still exists in our world. So, are you ready to explore one of Earth's most magical coastlines? The adventure of a lifetime awaits on the Napali Coast. Let's dive in and experience its wonders together. Adventure calls on the legendary Kalalau Trail, a world-renowned path that hugs the rugged Napali Coast, weaving through lush valleys and along dramatic towering cliffs. This is not just a hike, it's a journey into the heart of Kauai's wild beauty, where every step immerses you deeper into a landscape shaped by time and the elements. Begin your trek at the iconic K Beach, where the trailhead welcomes adventurers with the promise of discovery. The first stretch to Hanalei Beach is a favorite for many, offering stunning ocean views and a taste of the trail's magic. Here, turquoise waves crash against golden sand, and the salty breeze invigorates your spirit. For those seeking a true challenge, continue onward to the remote and breathtaking Kalalau Beach. This full trek is a test of endurance and determination, but the reward is a secluded paradise that few ever experience, where the only footprints in the sand might be your own. The trail winds through enchanting bamboo forests, where sunlight filters through emerald leaves, and across sparkling streams that invite you to pause and refresh. Each twist and turn reveals new wonders, from mossy rocks to hidden pools. Along the way, you'll pass waterfalls tumbling down sheer cliffs, their mist cooling the air. Keep your eyes open for wild goats nimbly navigating the rocky slopes, and listen for the calls of tropical birds echoing through the jungle canopy. If you're lucky, you might even spot a rare Hawaiian monk seal basking on a hidden beach, or catch glimpses of other unique wildlife that call this remote coastline home. Every step along the Kalalau Trail rewards you with sweeping vistas, soaring cliffs, endless ocean, and the raw, untamed power of nature. The landscape is ever-changing, with clouds casting shadows over the valleys and sunlight illuminating the ridges in gold. Whether you choose a short stroll to soak in the views or commit to the full, challenging trek, the Kalalau Trail promises an adventure that will leave a lasting mark on your heart and soul. The camaraderie among fellow hikers, the sense of accomplishment, and the sheer beauty of Kauai make every moment unforgettable. So lace up your boots, pack your sense of wonder, and don't forget your camera, because the Kalalau Trail is more than a hike. It's an experience you'll treasure forever. Next, let's find tranquility at Wailua Falls, an iconic double waterfall plunging over 80 feet into a shimmering pool. Located just north of Lihue, this breathtaking natural wonder is one of Kauai's most photographed sights, and for good reason. As you approach, the thunderous sound of water crashing below fills the air, inviting you to pause and take in the scene. The falls are especially stunning after a rainfall, when the water flow is at its most powerful and the surrounding landscape glistens with fresh life. Surrounded by emerald ferns and vibrant tropical foliage, Wailua Falls feels straight out of a fairy tale. The lush greenery frames the cascading water, creating a scene that's both enchanting and serene. Listen to the chorus of birds and the gentle rustle of leaves as you stand in awe of this natural masterpiece. The mist rising from the falls cools the air, adding to the magical atmosphere that makes this spot so unforgettable. The falls are easily accessible. Just step out of your car and follow the short paved path to the overlook. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or exploring solo, Wailua Falls welcomes everyone. The viewing area offers a safe and comfortable spot to admire the falls, making it perfect for visitors of all ages and abilities. On misty mornings, catch a rainbow arcing through the spray for a magical touch. The interplay of sunlight and water creates a dazzling display, and early risers are often rewarded with this colorful spectacle. It's a photographer's dream and a moment you'll want to remember long after your visit. Some adventurers venture down the steep, unofficial trails to the base, seeking a closer look and the thrill of standing beside the roaring water. However, the view from above is truly unforgettable, offering a sweeping panorama of the falls and the lush valley below. No matter where you stand, the power and beauty of Wailua Falls are undeniable. Wailua Falls is a reminder of nature's beauty and power. The sheer force of the water, the vibrant greenery, and the ever-changing light all combine to create a scene that's both humbling and inspiring. It's a place where you can truly appreciate the wonders of the natural world. So, grab your camera and soak in the serenity of this island gem. Take a moment to breathe deeply, listen to the sounds of nature, and let the beauty of Wailua Falls leave a lasting impression on your heart. After adventure, unwind at Hanalei Bay, a crescent beach framed by emerald mountains and sparkling blue water. Whether you surf, swim, or just relax, the vibe here is pure aloha. Watch the sunset from Hanalei Pier or paddleboard in gentle waves. Explore the charming town nearby. Quirky shops, food trucks, and friendly faces await. Hanalei Bay is more than a beach. It's a sanctuary for the soul. Here, you'll find peace and the true spirit of Kauai. Prepare to be amazed by Waimea Canyon, 10 miles long, 3,000 feet deep, and bursting with color. From the lookouts, marvel at rugged cliffs, lush valleys, and winding rivers. Hike the trails for new perspectives, hidden waterfalls, and prehistoric landscapes. The interplay of sunlight and shadow makes every visit unique. Waimea Canyon is a testament to nature's raw power and beauty. Stand at the edge, breathe deep, and let your spirit soar. No trip to Kauai is complete without a traditional Hawaiian luau, where culture, food, and celebration come alive. Enjoy hula, fire dancing, and rhythmic drumming as legends unfold before your eyes. Feast on kalua pork, poi, poke, and coconut desserts, flavors that define the islands. Meet locals and travelers, learn a hula step, or simply sway to the music under the stars. The luau is about coming together and honoring Hawaii's unique traditions. Leave with a full heart, a satisfied belly, and memories to last a lifetime. Dive into Tunnels Beach, a paradise for snorkelers with its underwater lava tubes and vibrant marine life. Slip on your mask and explore crystal clear waters teeming with tropical fish and graceful sea turtles. The protected reef is perfect for beginners and seasoned snorkelers alike. Above the water, enjoy golden sand and mountain views on Kauai's wild north shore. Always respect the reef. Take only memories, leave only bubbles. Snorkeling at Tunnels Beach will fill your heart with wonder. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable Kauai adventure. If you enjoyed the journey, subscribe for more travel inspiration and wild discoveries. Every new subscriber helps us keep exploring and sharing the world's wonders. Wherever your travels take you, may you find magic and moments of awe. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and never stop exploring.